Hi, friends. Cindy Ross here. Welcome to Testimonial Thursday. Today, I want to share a story about a patient that I will call Andrew. Andrew came to me after a very long and exhausting journey through cancer treatment. He had beaten the disease, but emotionally and physically, he still felt so broken. Andrew described it perfectly. He said, "It's like across the finish line, but I lost pieces of myself along the way." He wasn't sleeping. His anxiety was overwhelming. His mind constantly raced with the what if fears about reoccurrence, which we all understand. Stress had become his new normal, and his body was paying the price. We sat down together, made a new plan. We started by measuring his stress biomarkers, cortisol, DHEA, oxidative stress markers, to get a real clear picture of what was happening inside. And what we found matched exactly what he was feeling. His body was running on empty. His nervous system was stuck in survival mode. His antioxidant defenses were depleted. One of the first tools that I introduced Andrew to was L-theanine, which we discussed on Supplement Sunday. It's gentle, natural, restorative, and by supporting his nervous system, reducing oxidative stress, and helping him reconnect to a sense of calm, we started creating a real foundation for healing, not just surviving. It wasn't overnight. Getting your health back in shape is never overnight. It takes weeks, maybe even months. But Andrew's sleep did improve. His blood markers started shifting. He felt stronger. And even more importantly, he said something I'll never forget. "For the first time in years, I woke up and I did not feel afraid." That's what healing is about. It's not just erasing a disease, but restoring peace, strength, and trust in your own body. Andrew's story reminds us that tools like functional testing, nutrition, nervous system support, and just simple, powerful compounds like L-theanine are not extras. They are essentials for true recovery. If you're navigating cancer, chronic illness, or even just the invisible weight of chronic stress, you deserve a plan that supports your whole body, mind, and spirit. And you don't have to walk that journey alone. Thanks for letting me share Andrew's story with you today. If his story touched your heart, or if you see yourself in this journey, I invite you to reach out. There's a path forward, and it starts one step, one breath, one healing moment at a time. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys on Sunday for Supplement Sunday. Have a great weekend.